these trees in one single seedling season can produce, depending on their size, an average of 2 to 5 million seeds. And you know, the flowers are creamy white, and I don't know if you remember, I was still commenting to you that creamy yellow white flowers are normally pollinated by bats. So this tree is pollinated by bats and several other insects, but mainly by bats. So this is compared to, you know, most of our trees are non-deciduous. They don't lose their leaves. This one does. In the dry season, it loses, it's completely bare, and they kind of stand out in the landscape. You know, you have this beautiful flattened crown tree with no leaves, kapok tree, in the dry season. When they do that, soon after the flowers come out, and they will open up as it's getting dark, because that's when the main pollinators come out, bats. Okay, and when they're in flower, if you come to a tree like this at night, so many fruit bats and scanning into the flowers. But when the morning arrives, they close back again. Soon after, you have the fruits.